bunch of food.
Why are you so scared? She's so scared of you. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Fidget, sit. 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 You don't want
See? So weird. Is she the older one?
Yeah. Does she look like the older one?
Yeah, that's why she's like following her.
Sit.
Like that's my boss.
Yeah, but she always like invite her and everything. Because she don't want to eat. She don't want to eat.
That's so weird.
You don't want to eat. Eat, huh? Eat. Ready, sit. Ready, sit. Sit. She really dumb one. She only knows sit and paw. Paw. The other paw. The other paw. This paw. This paw.
It's like I'm done, man.
This
Stop
paw.
asking me for paws.
This paw. Down. This paw. The other paw. The other paw. The other paw. This paw. Yeah.
Hey.
That paw. Yay. That paw. Yay.
I really like the white one, but she's really scared of me. And meanwhile, this one's aggressive. But now she's calm, so I was okay.
My toe. You look at the eyes. Brown color on the eye.
You're talking about dogs.
What is that?
This is Angel. That is Kwaisia. This is her house. This is Kwaisia's dogs.
Hi.
And we are currently waiting for Yao to come. And I like Ginger, but she's super scared of me. I don't know why. Waiting for.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, we're waiting for Yao to. No. We're waiting for another dog to come, and then we can open dog cafe.
Oh my god.
You know what Yao said? He was like, I'm the master of dogs. I'm like, yeah, because you're a dog too, right? And then he was like,
It's a toy.
but
And what is it?
Ginger.
What's that? She wants you to.
I'm eating grapes while they play with the dogs, and I'm like,
Yeah, but she don't let.
open it. So
Why are they not excited?
Yao is outside. They're excited. I wonder how they react.
Why?
Ouch.
No.
Hey, why they less excited one ah?
You know?
When I
get energy low already.
Then I shouldn't be the first one that came.
But the dog meets the dog.
Dog meets dog.
You just smell your butt.
She is a girl after all. Yao is like, what do I do?
Hi.
Hey,
Calm down.
so little excitement.
You look like you
Yeah lor. So little excitement way. We have one more person coming. We have Qingwei coming. He said 1 something. What time is it now?
1 something.
Oh, okay. He said 1点多才来 because.
Okay. Too many kids.
Wait, your tongue wet?
Of course it's wet. Why is your tongue wet?
No.
Saliva.
Water. Saliva. Yeah. Teeth gum trips.
Yeah.
But yeah, we still have Qingwei left.
No.
And we are waiting for Domino's. Yeah. Okay.
I'm sure she doesn't.
Kenway's here, so I want to see their reaction to Kenway. Hey, they not excited one, huh?
第4个人来了。
Faster!
He gives the best reaction leh.
Like he immediately squat down, right?
Yeah,
for
it's
them.
like.
哎，快点铃铃铃！另外一个， 不给你抱啊？
真的啊？
他怕你。
有两个。抱了吧？
啊？他怕你啊？这个他怕你啊？他谁都怕那个。
I put a fish on it. It really is so hard. 都给皮包嘞。
Yes. Kaisa's doing the payment outside. Why is it so bright? Why is it so bright?
This rings. I heard there's spaghetti.
Nope, there ain't no spaghetti.
Why? Why spaghetti? Is this their toys? No.
Guys, do you have like a new child or something?
Come on.
Such happy family. So much happening at the moment, and I'm like alone.
Oh.
被你碰，
Yo,
被你碰，碰，
face.
被你碰，哦，也是碰，
Trying to show tricks but fail.
Oh.
Guys, can we eat now?
躲food.
Guys,
Wait for the food.
guys, can we eat now? Guys.
No, shut up.
Okay, I'll eat by myself. He legit stopped that guy. Ask for fidget spinners. Really ah?
Oh my god, serious?
Really ah?
Wow. 有哎
Really
Oh
ah?
my goodness. I want snake.
I'm having gastric at the worst time of the month. I wanna know what they bought. Actually,
You want to do like a
I
haul?
think they really bought. I hate it.
She's humping. She's humping.
Not me, okay?
You filmed that. Oh my god. Oh, and
It's okay, they didn't see it. That was the main point of coming to Kwai Sia's house. You know, we have a group chat and Kwai Sia named it dog humping day. And the funny thing is that they're girls and they hump on girls.
not guys.
Yeah. And unfortunately the guys missed out. They went out to buy stuff instead.
Yeah, Ben.
I want to know what they bought. I think they bought snacks and fidget spinners. So weird. Why would they buy fidget spinners from them? I mean from that guy.
Okay, they don't know what happened.
A super ring! Childhood fidget spinner.
真的啊
Shit, man. Oh.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty! I feel so swag.
No, don't put your hand on. Don't put your hand on.
Ophelia, can you like not put that part?
Cannot, must put.
Huh?
Don't put on it.
Must put.
Don't want.
Why does it look so slow? It looks so slow on camera.
Because it's not real.
Oh, now it looks fast.
My god, it's still introducing. Introduce.
Introducing.
I filmed that! Yo, Zoe.
What up?
I thought you say people who buy fidget spinners are autistic.
It's your birthday present, man. Happy birthday, Ophelia.
It's not even my birthday.
So
Someone go Google Careless Whisper song.
Why is this red? Why didn't tell me that it's
is it
red?
hot?
Why nobody tell me that it's red?
It's not obvious.
Left us two only.
That's not music.
How come left us two only, Kwai Sia?
Because they all wear Wait yet.
They went out to take photos to prank Wei Ye, to prank him that we're almost near his house. Yeah, and both of us are too lazy because it's really hot outside.
It's really hot.
It's really hot outside.
Look at y'all too. What are you doing?
So one of our good friends, Zhe, is he even our friend? Is he even our friend?
No.
But he actually betrayed us. We actually asked him to hang out with us first, and then he got invited. I think he got invited to
Later, cause like she said yes. He said yes, yeah. At first he said yes.
He said yes, he's
Can I
free
order
today.
He was
So
second
he
choice.
was supposed to hang out with us, but then I think he got invited after that for Zi'en's birthday, and then he decided to go there instead. So we feel so betrayed. And then they all actually posted Snapchat videos of them singing happy birthday and surprising Zi'en. So we were like, why not we do it too, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, we did it, and it's kind of awkward because it's so fake. Right, Kaisia?
Yeah.
Yo, wait to go.
我去 Google 我去 Google Translate. This is my friends reacting to my reaction. And then Yuzo stops and say shut up kid, right?
Shut up, kid. No, let's watch. The big kid. Okay.
Oh my god, you don't do that.
I saw yoga lmao. We're sitting Uber home. They're still taking photos with the dog. And I'm sitting Uber with So, and we're outside waiting for our Uber now. Apparently it's only 450 ringgit. 4 ringgit 50 cents. From the left side?
No.
From the right side?
Come and go.
Okay, it's really hot. It's gonna be like charcoal at this rate. So hot.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, what's up? It is me, Ophelia, and yeah, I just came back from my friend's house, and we actually just hung out, and you know, eat some pizza, eat some food, and then hang out, and then you know, just talk and have fun, prank some people and stuff. So it was just a random hangout, and I guess it was good, but I'm really tired. My brother's showering, so it's really noisy. Yeah, I haven't even prepared for my debate and my presentation for tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Nah, I better do it tonight, so I'm gonna be doing it tonight. So, thank you for watching this vlog. It's a really messy vlog actually, so yeah, thanks. Bye.